Hi, so as you know, the whole world is under quarantine right now. I live in California and our governor just announced a stay-at-home order. So I have been in my house for the past 5 days. I'm going a little crazy, but you know, we gotta do what we gotta do. We have to keep our families safe and keep it from spreading. So I've been trying to busy myself by finding new things to do and ways to spend time. So today I'm gonna be making cookies. I'm making these ones. They're called Oatsies. Here's my little recipe. Just realized right now you can't read that, it's backwards. But I'm very excited. I don't know, I haven't baked in a while. I'm not like a cook or a baker or anything like that, but I do enjoy it. I think it's fun. Yeah, so we're using Miss Betty Crocker's cookie cookbook. Yeah, we're gonna be making these. They are a delicious caramel-like oat confection topped with chocolate, which sounds beautiful to me. Let's bake. So for this recipe I need oats, brown sugar, butter, corn syrup, which I don't have, but I looked it up and you can use honey or maple syrup. I think I'm gonna use maple syrup. Salt, vanilla, chocolate chips, and nuts. So I'm gonna make sure I have all these ingredients besides the corn syrup because I know I don't have that one, and we will get started. So my first step is to preheat to 400. Okay, so my first step is to mix my oats and sugar. I'm just gonna put them in here. I don't know how much this is really gonna be, but we'll find out, I guess. So here's my brown sugar. This is supposed to be half a cup. So it's supposed to be packed, which if you don't know, that just means you have to press it down. Okay, and now it is 2 cups of oats. Now I have to do 2 cups of oats. Okay, did y'all see Emma Chamberlain's video where she made oat milk? I really want to do it. That might be in a video coming soon. I might just have to. I'm just gonna stir this together. It says mix, so I'm just gonna do it by hand. Okay, that's pretty solid. My next step, melt butter, add syrup, salt, and vanilla. So here's my butter. Using Challenge butter. It's just in this Pyrex bowl. 1 stick is half a cup, so should be perfect. I don't know. Oh, I have a melt button. Let's do that. Hopefully that works. Yummy. So I have this syrup, which is real organic, and then this one, which is sugar-free and all that. I think I'm gonna just split it. It's half a cup. I didn't want to waste this, that's why, but I also don't want it to taste funny because it's the other one. I'm gonna do like half and half. Okay, now I'm supposed to add my salt and my vanilla. So it is half a teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I'm using Morton Girl. Love her. And then 1 whole teaspoon of vanilla. Sorry you guys can't see the bowl. It's kind of lame of me, I know. Okay, I brought you down here so you can get a better look. Here's my current concoction. Okay, here's my oats concoction. Just gonna pour this on top. Okay, now I just mix this together. So I'm supposed to use a 9x9 pan, but all I have is this one. This is 8x8. I'm just gonna spray it down like that. Okay, so now I'm supposed to pour this into the pan and just flatten it out. Kind of feels like there's not enough for the size of this pan. I don't know. Honestly, this looks bomb. Look at that. Tell me that does not look so good. Okay, time for it to go in the oven. I'm supposed to set it for 8 to 10 minutes. So I'll do 9. Okay, so for the next part of the recipe, once I take those out, I'm supposed to put chocolate on them, like melted chocolate. I have chocolate chips. I don't even know how to melt chocolate because I think you're not supposed to microwave it because it burns it. If I'm correct, I think that that's how it works. I'm gonna do some research and I'll get back to you. I looked it up and it says you can microwave it, but the best way to do it is to like do it in a double boiler. So I'm gonna make my own double boiler. I have never done this before, so it should be very interesting. Can't wait to bring you along for this journey. Look who has joined us in the kitchen, little miss. You gonna bake with me? Are you gonna bake with me? Sit. Okay, so it is time to pull them out. Oh, they look so good. You're just gonna set it up here. Okay, so my water is now what I think is simmering. I have a heat-safe bowl. I'm just gonna put that on top. I hope I'm doing this right. I've seen them do this on like cooking shows, but I have never done this. So, my voice cracked there. That was fun. So, that's sick. Y'all, I am doing it. Tell me that does not look so good. Literally, I am so hyped right now, you don't even know. Can you believe I just did that? Okay, I think I have to take it off or it'll burn. So I'm gonna go put it on my oats now. Okay. I have my chocolate now. Just gonna pour it on top. Then we'll smooth it out in a sec. kids are playing outside. You should be quarantining. And my final step is these almonds. Just gonna sprinkle them on top. Okay, I'm gonna let these, look at my beautiful, oh no. I'm gonna let these cool while I clean up, and I will be back to you when they're ready for tasting. So it wasn't solidified completely, but we're still gonna try it. They're really good. I just think that they need to sit in the fridge for a little longer, so I'm gonna let them do that. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, well, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry if this was a little bit more of a boring video, but I really just did it for my own entertainment because I'm going crazy. I hope you guys are all staying safe and staying inside, finding things to fill your time, bake something, make some cookies, make some oatmeal bars. I'll leave the recipe link down below on the off chance that you're interested. Yeah, anyways, that's all I've got for you, so see you soon.